Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring compatibility and licensing right away. Verify CPU, RAM, and 32 GB minimum free disk. Why this matters is stability and updates. Obtain the Ltsc ISO or copy from your volume licensing portal and keep the product key accessible. Once done, create a bootable USB using Rufus or similar and pick UEFI or Legacy to match the target firmware. You'll avoid reinstall failures if secure boot and partition style, GPT/MBR, are matched before proceeding. Boot from the USB and choose Custom Install to control partitions. Delete old system partitions if you want a clean slate, because leftover boot files can cause conflicts. During setup, select the Ltsc edition that matches your license and enter the product key when prompted. Create a local administrator account for initial configuration. Once Windows is running, install essential drivers from vendor packages and disable telemetry/unused features to preserve Ltsc low update philosophy while ensuring hardware is finalized by running Windows Update to apply critical security patches and definitions. Even Ltsc needs routine updates. Configure group policy and defender settings to align with Ltsc long-term stability goals and set update deferment windows as needed. If activation fails, double-check the key and licensing channel. For system instability, run SFC and DISM to repair images and reinstall chipset/network drivers. If a driver still breaks hardware, roll back to the vendor-provided stable driver and document changes so you can reproduce the working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.